What's up, friends? Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Higgsfield account. So you want to head over Higgsfield AI, and to create an account is very easy. Just simple. Click the sign up on the upper right hand side, and you can easily sign up with your Google account if you have one. You can also do it with Apple or even your Microsoft account. Or if you have your work email, you can continue using the option for email and just enter your email address or any other email address for that matter. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to use my Google account. Now just select your email there and click and continue. And yeah, you will see how easy it is to just basically create an account on Xfield. As you can see, it says wait a moment. Guys, this is the leading AI tool, lead AI platform right now. You can go ahead and verify once it asks you to. And yeah, just go ahead and follow a few simple setup right here. It says, how do you plan to use Higgsfield? I can say I can use it for education and learning or social media growth. I'm going to just say for education and learning, right? So I'm going to just choose that option. How experienced are you with AI generation? I'm going to say intermediate, not nobody advanced. Now, how big is your company? I'm going to say I'm a solo creator for now. And what do you want to create? So I'm going to just say cinematic visuals for right now. Let's say that's what we want and click and continue. Here, how did you hear about us? To be honest, I would say Google search, right? Google search or YouTube or whatever. Now, what frustrates you the most? To be honest, guys, I'm gonna just say limited generation or inconsistent result. Because you know what inconsistent result or limited generation, it can be something that is high on someone's list of what frustrates them. So I think that sometimes the inconsistency result is what, really the most, in my case, is what I hate the most when I have to do over and over again and the results are just like. And finally, it says the characters stay with you. I'm gonna just simply click and continue right here, guys. Now, what I'll do, right? I'm gonna go ahead and purchase, uh, let's say they have a creator plan and you have an unlimited plan. Right now, I want to pay for this monthly because I just want to go ahead and test it out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna go with the ultimate plan. I don't need the creator's plan for $89, right? But I'm gonna go with this one because I think it's enough with over 365 unlimited Nano Banana Pro. Right, so guys, I'm gonna select this option here and I'm just doing this for you. And of course, I'll have some fun. So if you find value within this video already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Now I'm gonna go ahead and create my account. I can also upgrade at a later point in time. So I'm gonna say skip the first time offer for now. We'll just skip that for now. We can always upgrade later, but I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade so that I can get all access so that we can basically play around with it and have some fun. So that's how you easily create your account, guys. Very easy and very simple. That's pretty much it.